How to change address on Shein. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. First and foremost, open up a website that you prefer on your mobile device or in your PC and search for Shein.com. You will be redirected to the Shein official webpage. Make sure that you are logged in to your Shein account. Now once you are logged in, you have to tap on this username icon. Then head to where it says My Profile. Then go ahead and tap on it. At your left hand side, you will see some of this option. Expand my account. From here, tap on Address Book. You will find your current address right here. To change it, tap on Edit. Now all you have to do is select a new location. Change your first name and last name if you want to. Add your phone number, city, state or province, zip code, address 1, address 2. Then tap on Make Default. Then tap on Save. And just like that, you will be able to change your address on Shein. If you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can contact the Shein customer service or check if you have connected to a VPN. Make sure to disable your VPN if